The sun rises over the Mongolian steppe, casting gold across a sea of grass. Each blade shimmers in the early light as if the land itself is waking from a long, peaceful slumber. The horizon stretches endlessly, promising a day full of possibility and quiet wonder. The air is crisp, scented with wild thyme and earth, carrying the freshness of a new beginning. Dew clings to the grass, sparkling like tiny jewels, while a gentle mist lingers, softening the world in a delicate embrace. No walls, no roads, just endless land and sky. Here our day begins in a world unbounded, where the only limits are the distant mountains and the ever-changing clouds above. A cluster of white gers, round tents, dot the landscape, smoke curling from their roofs. These humble homes stand as beacons of warmth and shelter, their felt walls holding stories passed down through generations. The camp stirs, a quiet word, a goat's bleat, the crackle of fire. Children rub sleep from their eyes, elders tend to the embers, and the first sounds of life ripple gently across the steppe. These people move with the seasons, following fresh pastures for their herds. Their lives are woven into the rhythm of the land, guided by the sun, the wind, and the needs of their animals. Life here is a journey, a dance with nature, not a conquest. Every day is shaped by respect for the earth and the wisdom of ancestors who learn to thrive in this vast open world. The steppe provides food, fuel, and freedom. From the animals comes milk and meat, from the land, the fuel that warms each home, and from the open sky, a sense of boundless possibility. It's a hard life, but one filled with belonging and purpose. Here, every smile, every shared meal, and every tradition is a thread in the fabric of community. Sunlight warms the felt walls of the gers as families stir from sleep. The gentle glow promises another day of work, laughter, and togetherness beneath the endless sky. Fires are coaxed back to life, spreading warmth through the single room. The scent of wood smoke mingles with morning air, a reminder of resilience and the comforts of home. Under the eternal blue sky, the day begins. Work, play, and tradition intertwined. On the endless steppe, every dawn is a promise, and every day a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. The ger is the heart of the Mongol family, open, circular, and welcoming. Its round shape is not just practical but deeply symbolic, representing unity and the endless cycle of life. Every visitor is greeted with warmth, as the open door invites friends and travelers alike to step inside and share in the family's hospitality. The door always faces south, a tradition that welcomes the rising sun each morning and protects the family from the harsh northern winds. This orientation is both a practical choice and a spiritual one, connecting the home to the rhythms of nature and the vast Mongolian steppe. Inside, order reigns, men's tools are carefully arranged to the west, while women's crafts and belongings are placed to the east. This division of space reflects respect for tradition and the roles each family member plays, creating harmony within the home.
We gather around the hearth, cooking, sharing stories, and warmth. The fire at the center is more than just a source of heat. It is the soul of our home, where laughter and memories are made and where we come together at the end of each day.
I mend a bridle while my mother hums a song, her voice filling the space. The gentle melody weaves through the air, connecting generations and reminding us of our heritage. Every task, no matter how small, is part of the rhythm of daily life in the ger.
The ger's design is ingenious, portable, sturdy, and warm in winter, cool in summer. Its felt walls and wooden frame are crafted to withstand the extremes of the steppe, allowing families to move with the seasons and thrive in a challenging environment. It's a sanctuary from the elements, a symbol of family and resilience. Within its walls, generations gather, sharing wisdom and traditions that have been passed down for centuries. After breakfast, the family heads out for the day's work, children playing nearby. The ger remains a place of return, where everyone is welcomed back with open arms and a warm meal. The ger remains the anchor, always in sight, always home. No matter how far we roam, its presence is a constant reminder of where we belong. It stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of the Mongol people, a living symbol of adaptability, strength, and the unbreakable bonds of family. The steppe is a boundless playground for the children. Laughter rings out as they play tag among the gers and animals.
We play knucklebones, flicking sheep bones in games of skill.
The girls make dolls from felt, building tiny gers and families.
Children learn self-reliance early, riding horses almost as soon as they walk. A 5-year-old sits confidently atop a pony, learning vital skills. For Mongols, horse and rider are inseparable. Play is learning. They watch adults, read the land, and absorb stories and songs. Their education is hands-on, practical, and rooted in tradition. Childhood here is freedom, responsibility, and joy.
Women are the backbone of our community, milking, churning, and sharing stories as we work. Dairy is our lifeblood. Butter, arag, cheese, and arul sustain us through harsh seasons.
Women cook, tend fires, craft felt, and embroider with skill and pride. They tan hides, make leather, and keep the ger organized. Their hands are never idle. Every task supports the family. The women's circle is a place of knowledge, where traditions pass from mother to daughter. Young girls learn by watching, gradually taking on more responsibility. The elders are respected for their wisdom, guiding the community. Together, women transform a cluster of tents into a thriving, resilient home.
Away from camp, the men gather, protectors, providers, and horsemen. Our horses are our pride, tough, resilient, and perfectly adapted to the steppe. We groom them, check for injuries, and speak in soothing tones. Hours in the saddle make us one with our horses, true centaurs of the plains.
The Mongol bow, small but powerful, is our other essential tool. Men line up, drawing bows and loosing arrows with precision. This is more than sport, it's survival, keeping skills sharp for hunt and battle. Practice is focused and disciplined. Every shot matters. Mastery of horse and bow is our legacy. We read the wind, anticipate movement, and shoot at full gallop. This relentless training makes us the world's most formidable horsemen and archers. The steppe is a living character, vast, rolling, and wild, stretching endlessly beneath the sky. Low mountains rise in the distance. Wildflowers dot the grasslands.
An eagle soars above, sacred and free, a messenger from the sky god Tengri. We watch with reverence, reminded of our place in this untamed land.
The camp hums with life, bleeding animals, children's laughter, the smell of smoke.
We read the land, find grazing water and medicine moving with the seasons. We don't fight nature, we move with it, guided by ancient wisdom. This connection shapes every aspect of our lives.
As the sun sets, the vast Mongol steppe glows in a breathtaking palette of orange and purple, stretching endlessly to the horizon. The air cools, and the land seems to pause, wrapped in the gentle embrace of dusk. Herds are carefully secured for the night, horses tied and watched over, while warriors return from the open plains. Families prepare for the evening, and a deep sense of peace settles over the camp, signaling the end of another day.
Inside the warm glow of the gyr, families gather around the hearth. They share a simple meal, passing bowls and laughter, and recount the day's stories, tales of herding, of weather, and of the land that sustains them.
Firelight dances on our faces, casting flickering shadows on the felt walls. The warmth of the flames chases away the night's chill, and we feel safe and close, surrounded by family and tradition.
An elder, wise and patient, tells stories of our ancestors and legendary heroes or gently plays the horsehead fiddle. The music and words fill the gyr, echoing the spirit of those who came before us.
I love these stories. They make me proud to be part of something ancient and strong. Listening to the tales, I feel connected to my roots, and I dream of carrying our traditions forward.
Stories and songs weave the past into the present, connecting generations in a living tapestry. Around the fire, laughter and song rise into the night, binding young and old together. As the fire dies down, families drift to sleep beneath thick blankets, comforted by the closeness of loved ones and the vast, starlit sky above. The silence of the steppe is deep and profound, broken only by the whisper of the wind and the distant howls of wolves roaming the open grassland. With the first light of dawn, the camp stirs to life. Each day is a testament to resilience, harmony, and the enduring connection between people and the land. The Mongol journey continues, guided by tradition, unity, and a deep bond with the steppe. Together, families move forward, always adapting, always strong. This is the enduring spirit of the steppe, a spirit that lives on in every sunrise, every story, and every heart that calls this land home.